Page 318, this is number 2 at the bottom of the page. Try reading this, good luck with it, but even one hand at a time too helps too. This left hand can get a bit tricky sometimes with the chords. I look it over, it's 2 lines long, treble, bass, clef, 2 sharps in the key signature, so we're either in the key of D major or B minor, because those are the keys with 2 sharps. But look at the end here. The B minor, I guess we're in B minor. But do the scales on our pages for both, D major and B minor, 2 octaves. Because I'm hoping by now you know the scales on our pages on these keys. If not, 1 octave, learn them first. But once you know what the notes are on them, 2 octaves. 4/4 time signatures, take it one hand at a time. Now again, I want to connect everything with the fingers if I can. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 4 and it's almost like a scale going up. We just took a little detour. The fingering, and that's fingering in there, that works fine. And then measure 5, it looks like we're coming down. And the scale going down with a detour. So once you know the scales, then you kind of, oh, I recognize this passage here, it's a scale. Makes it a little less difficult to play the music. Left hand, well, let's see what we got. We have a 1 chord and a 4 chord. And how you finger these is up to you. You can use the thumb on both if you want. I usually don't. I'll do a 2-1 here. And just 2 personal thing. Do finger however you want. The book is fine if you want to do that. And measure 4, it's 5/7 chord. And then we got 1 and 5/7 chord. Using the primary chords for the thingy, put them together, what do we got? Well, it's here. And the 1 and 5/7 coming down. You get the idea? You put it together, I already did. Then go back over it and slowly work out the hesitations. Okay? You do that, I already did. Then you can add the articulation. It's connected, and we're lifting up. It's like short phrases, but okay. I'm assuming these are phrases. They sort of feel and sound like phrases. The left hand, you can't connect it, but do the best you can. We want it as connected as we can get it. Of course, at the end of a phrase, when you lift up for the right hand, you can go ahead and lift up the left hand too. Wrong rhythm, but the notes were there, huh? So you put in the articulation, and once that's in, then I add the dynamics. Moderately loud, this is the melody, the right hand. You have the long hairpin, you're going to go up to loud. Well, that's a kicker. There's 4 measures in there. I don't want to be loud till the half note, the end of the 4th measure. There's not a lot of difference between moderately loud and loud. So, I mean, if I start getting loud immediately, I'll be loud by the end of the 2nd measure. And that's too soon. I don't want to be that loud to the end of the line. So we have to take this we have to figure it out. Well, I have 2 short phrases at the beginning, so I can play those almost the same. Just almost the same, maybe just a hair. Now, it's same as that. Now it starts coming. Save most of your crescendo toward the end of the line. So it's like each measure, I got just a hair louder, just a hair, you know. Measure the hair, it's all right, just a... And I'm staying loud. And measure 7, I start that loud, and now I'm going to go back down to moderately, but now there's only 2 measures. And again, I say most of my diminuendo toward the end of it. Because remember, a crescendo and diminuendo is not a straight line. It's a curve. You say most of the changing toward the end of it, whatever it is. It's interpretation. Then the speed is allegretto. It's here. 2 somewhere in there. Moderato would be that. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And Allegro would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Allegretto's in the middle. Have fun with it. Huh? There's no retardando in there. I sort of felt one, but again, there isn't written one. It's interpretation. The natural accents, well, the left hand's playing on them. That's what they are. 1. Feel the natural accents. Now they want you to transpose this to C minor. Well, we're in B minor. C minor is just 1.5 step up. C minor has 3 flats. And the 7th step is a B flat, but we're going to raise it up. We're going to use harmonic minor, so B naturals. So if we play any B's in there, they're going to be B naturals. But otherwise, we got to have E flats and A flats here. So everything goes up 1 note. So the left hand, you're doing 1, 4. So in C minor, 1, 4. And 5, 7 is that. Those are the chords for the left hand. The right hand is studied here. We're here. And that's just a scale with a detour. Remember we're using harmonic minor. Then you go down. Those are the notes, you put them together. Going down. Yeah, C minor, whatever. Try some other key out and see how you do. You can think playing the fingers because there's one, or it's 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the scale with a detour. You can do that. We'll do G minor here. Just G minor, the chord, and then the chord here. Just make sure you include the F sharps in G minor because it's a harmonic minor, and the F is the 7th step. So we're raising here for G minor, or whatever minor you want to try it. This is good practice, I guess. Let's play this together slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. Not going to do the dynamics. We're not performing it, just notes and rhythms. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go.